Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Here we will discuss top 20 important current affairs MCQ questions of 17 May 2025. So watch the video till end and subscribe my channel. So without wasting the time, let's get started. Question 1. Sikkim Statehood Day 2025 marked which milestone and was celebrated on what date? Correct answer option B. 50th anniversary 16th May. Question 2. Which country became the first in the world to launch a nation-level cryptocurrency payment system exclusively for tourists in May 2025? Correct answer option C. Bhutan. Question 3. The Inclusive India Summit held on Global Accessibility Awareness Day 2025 was organized by which Indian government body? Correct answer option B. Department of Empowerment of Persons with Disabilities DEPWD. DEPWD. Question 4. What honorary rank was Olympic champion Neeraj Chopra awarded in the Indian Territorial Army in May 2025? Correct answer option C. Lieutenant Colonel. Question 5. Who was appointed chairman of the BRICS Chamber of Commerce and Industry BRICS CCI in May 2025? Correct answer option A. Harvansh Chawla. Question 6. Which tech giant opened applications for the AI First India 2025 Startup Accelerator Program? Correct answer option C. Google. Question 7. National Dengue Day is observed in India on. Correct answer option B. 16 May. Question 8. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will lead the main International Day of Yoga celebrations on 21 June 2025 in which coastal city of Andhra Pradesh, popularly known as Vizag? Correct answer option B. Visakhapatnam. Question 9. Exercise Rahat, the large-scale humanitarian assistance and disaster relief drill conducted by the Indian Army's Spear Corps and civil agencies in May 2025 was held in which Indian state? Correct answer option B. Nagaland. Question 10. During his May 2025 visit to Riyadh, Saudi Arabia, the US President announced the removal of sanctions on which country? Correct answer option B. Syria. Question 11. Who became Balochistan's first Hindu woman assistant commissioner in May 2025? Correct answer option C. Kashish Chaudhary. Question 12. Which Indian state recorded the highest total goods and services tax GST collection during the financial year 2024 to 2025? Correct answer option C. Maharashtra. Question 13. The Bagliar Hydropower Project Dam recently news is built on which river? Correct answer option B. Chenab. Question 14. Which city was declared India's first beggar-free city in May 2025? Correct answer option A. Indore. Question 15. Which country proposed the name Shakti for the cyclone forecast to form over the Andaman Sea, Bay of Bengal in May 2025? Correct answer option B. Sri Lanka. Question 16. Win the Battle of Your Mind, Scroll Less and Read More is authored by. Correct answer option A. Rita Ramamurthy Gupta. Question 17. The Indian Army's counter-terrorism mission launched in the Keller Forest area of Shopian district on 13 May 2025 is codenamed? Correct answer option B, Operation Keller. Question 18. Operation Nadir, a joint anti-terror action launched in May 2025, targeted militants in which area of Jammu and Kashmir? Correct answer option A, Tral, Pulwama. Question 19. In May 2025, which 1995 batch Indian Foreign Service officer was appointed the next ambassador of India to the Kingdom of Sudan? Correct answer option B, Anurag Bhushan. Question 20. International Day of Living Together in Peace is commemorated globally on? Correct answer option B, 16 May. Thanks for watching.